Okay,
Hello
guys,
guys,
so
today we're doing a dog day video.
take 8 of our videos.
But take 2 of dog day.
We literally just keep accidentally turning it off.
Here you go,
Getting
Mikey.
so
You did
frustrated.
great last video.
Okay, so Roxy.
Look at Roxy.
Oh. Never mind, that's even better footage than the last one combined. Yeah. Here's Ariel. She's smiling, happy.
Here you go, Ariel. Have your
Here's
treat.
Mikey. He's shaved down. He's
He
14
kind
years
of has
old.
a black
And
eye, but he's okay.
And Roxy's 3. She always does that.
Yeah.
That's her way of saying I want a belly rub. She likes getting belly rubs.
That's her favorite spot.
Yeah,
Look at her funny face.
record Roxy's face.
Yeah. She's doing so good. Have a one. Here you go. Yummy, right? Here you go.
There's Bella. She has pretty sharp eyes.
She is so cute.
She's 6 right now.
Well, 8.
And that's her ball.
Here you go.
Oh, she doesn't want to play with it right now.
This is
There's
about how
Ariel.
big her mouth is.
She's also 14 years old. She's a dog. She's our dog, and she's...
And her name is Ariel. She's so cute.
And there's Mikey. He is 14 years old, and he's all orange. And his nickname is Michelangelo.
Well,
And he likes playing. And Roxy likes playing with Mikey, and Mikey likes playing with Roxy. So.
yeah. But one time they got into a fight, this is even worse. Ariel got bitten hard on the foot, and she was bleeding
A little
from
bit.
Roxy.
Not that much. They just got in a fight over something.
Yeah, we didn't
But
know
she
why,
wasn't bleeding that much, so.
but we're still glad she's okay now.
She's all better. She didn't even have to go to the vet. She's a tough little dog.
Yeah.
Mikey is too.
He's tough, and
And all our dogs are pretty much tough.
yeah, Roxy's crazy.
Yeah. There you go.
She's so cute, and she looks like she has 2 pimples, and she's pretty, right?
Hey guys, did you know that when dogs lick their lips, they're happy?
And they can also understand sign language.
Well,
Roxy,
it's their taught sign language, but I think Roxy already knows one sign language.
I love you.
It's like a
Hi.
you do this to.
Well, let me show them my height. You do this, and Roxy's way of saying "I love you" back is putting her nose in it.
Yeah, she does. Right.
Roxy, stop playing with your leg.
Yep. Just biting her own leg.
Yeah,
She does that. She does that all the time. Don't worry. She's not going insane.
Don't, and unlike other dogs, she chases her leg, not her tail.
Yeah, she usually chases her.
Definitely in jokey mode.
Aww.
She's so crazy. You could probably go there. Look at her crazy patches. She'll be the number.
Mikey's just over there like, what?
Roxy, what are you doing? This is better, but this one takes 7.
Yep. Hopefully we don't accidentally do that again.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yep.
Don't jinx it though. I'm gonna get a muffin.
Maybe I should hold the camera the whole time. It's really I'm not kidding.
Okay, guys, this is so cute.
I think
dogs
she
are
wore-
amazing.
I think she wore herself out.
Yeah. Boom.
Oh, never mind.
On. She is so cute. She is. Oh, do you know what your dogs are
video.
Do you know what?
And Mikey's nickname is Michelangelo.
And Mike.
Yep.
And that. Wanna know something funny? Our stepdad's name is Mike.
And Mikey's name is Mikey. So.
We live with our stepmom and our first dad. Our mom broke up, but they had. But
they're still friends with each other, and our mom only lives 30 minutes away. So, and there's and now we
and
have
our grandma lives right down the street, not in front of us, just this way.
Our grandma is just right down the street too. And only we're recording a video.
It's a dog day video. Okay. Come here, Roxy. Roxy? Look at Roxy.
It's like mass chaos.
Look at Roxy, guys. Look what you did.
I can only see her tail sticking out. Roxy.
Let's get it off. And now we reveal her chewing on the couch. Roxy, whip. Did you see that cute face, guys?
No.
Well, she was like, she had a twinkle in her eyes, and she was smiling, and she was happy. So cute.
Hey guys, what if we just posted a 5-minute video of this?
Let's do a minute with Bella. Right?
Hey Bella. Bella has sharp claws.
She's so cute. She's tiny and adorable.
Let Bella go. She wants to be let go. Oh, she's sprinting away.
So yeah, that means I'm on this maniac mommy.
Okay guys, I'm not.
Oh, and I forgot to tell you though, the fourth.
So guys, if the video just randomly stops, it's okay, because it's probably because I
Turned it off.
accidentally turned it off. I'm not making another video. Because I have been, because we made 8 other videos and accidentally turned it off. So if it suddenly turns off, just don't mind us. Okay? We accidentally turned it off. But if we do outro and it turns off, that probably means it's the end of the video. There's my Nintendo, V-Bits, cards, mask, coffee, with a hole, and also the brush.
This is the start of her stepmom's name. It starts with a M. Do you guys try and guess our stepmom's name?
Okay. No, alright, stop. Okay, try and guess in the comments, guys. We'll be looking at the comments tomorrow, and if you don't guess it by tomorrow, well,
We'll tell you.
if you got it right, we're gonna say what it says on your comment and what your name is and stuff. Well, we don't know what your name is, just like it shows on the comments. So we're just gonna look on top of the comment and see. So, and then we're just gonna say whatever your account name is from the comment.
And
Yes.
also a $1 bill of it. But we didn't make it from YouTube.
We don't know. Well, we don't know where you guys live, so I guess not. No $1 bill, I guess. Unless you know where we live. Then you'll just come over here and get $1.
Yeah, $1. Well, we didn't live in Germantown, Ohio, Ridge Road. If you're abandoned, stop watching this now. Okay,
My stomach is starting to hurt again.
let's do a minute with Mikey now.
And the outro of the video, and then right at the end of the video, it's gonna be me doing a backflip. So wait for that. Okay, guys.
And now we're gonna do a minute with it's Mikey Wikey the Tikey.
Hi, Maggie.
He is orange yellow. He has orange eyes, as you can see. Don't get in his face though.
Yeah, bite. I'm not in space, I'm just zooming in.
You can get in his face for a minute to give him a kiss, but not for a long time. Or snap at you. And
Since it's not your dog, I don't know if you would want to do that, but
Yeah.
but that's what we do. Because we love our dogs. Our doggos.
He is. I love all our dogs.
Oxy's eating the couch again.
That's right.
Oxy likes eating the couch for some reason.
I think
She probably thinks it's good. Thinks it's good, delicious, or good.
I bet if Roxy was the queen, she would definitely build a couch rest buffet, right?
Yeah. Oh, she's actually tearing through the couch.
Yum, 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 yum. I bet if Roxy was a queen, she would make a couch buffet. For sure.
The video is almost over, guys. It's at 11 minutes and 32 seconds. So.
And don't show Brayden his underwear.
Brandon's currently.
In his underwear.
Okay, so I'm just gonna get footage of me on swinging.
He's Captain Underpants. He always goes in his underwear. Just like Captain Underpants. He's a captain in his underpants, and he always wears his...
Wait. I want to get footage. So hold the camera and face it outwards, not towards you, and then just swing around. And
That's my dad's shoes.
And just do spins too, okay?
Dad's shoes.
Aubrey, come on, just swing
Okay.
it and
I zoomed into
and like
Dad's shoes.
spin around too, okay?
Please
Please don't accidentally turn it off. Guys, if it turns off, I don't care. If we accidentally turn it off, I don't care. We got long enough footage.
That's our dad. Zoom.
Now it's my turn to get footage.
Okay. You guys
Careful
go.
not to. I said careful. Not to press that. Oh,
Okay,
it's
Dad.
white again.
I love you too, Aubrey.
Okay. There you go. The screen was all white for a second.
Oh, Dad, I'll tell you something, but I have to...
It's not going this
No,
fast.
I did teach
It's not actually going this fast. It's just because of the camera. I don't know why it looks so fast on the camera. Then I'm spinning. Whoa. Okay, guys. Got the footage. Now it's time to show you. And now it's time for the back outro. Okay, Aubrey, now it's time for the outro. We're gonna go outside and we're gonna do the outro and me doing the back. Okay. So hold the camera while we go outside. Okay, I'm just gonna where's some cuts.
Okay.
Where's some
Let's go,
cuts
guys.
again? Okay, the camera, make sure not to turn it off. Oh, where's some guys, I think this will be the only video that we make today unless there's something different. So we're gonna probably do one tomorrow. Unless we just don't want to.
I step on his chin and at the end, and then the back. He's really nice. He's really funny too.
At first, Aubrey didn't want to do a video, but then she finally agreed to do a video. So, so this is why this is. We're recording this video right now. I'll do that first. But thank you to all your subscribers and the people that really subscribe to this.
There's actually
Thank you a lot because our main goal in our whole lives is to get famous and
I hope we're not poor. Can you please subscribe? We don't know how to edit yet. We probably will when we grow up if we keep.
Okay, good. Okay, Aubrey. Stand there and film me.
Okay.
No, not there. There.
Okay.
So, one down, back foot. Let's go. Two down.
Nice.
When the third back foot is done, and I say bye, guys, and then Aubrey. Okay.
Okay.